Nauticus Robotics and Open Ocean Robotics are joining forces to revolutionize subsea asset management in the energy sector. This strategic collaboration brings together two innovative companies that share a passion for transforming the way ocean industries operate. The partnership sees Nauticus Robotics, a leader in autonomous subsea robotics and software solutions, and Open Ocean Robotics, a pioneer in uncrewed surface vehicles, USVs, working together to deliver cutting-edge technologies that redefine subsea asset management. By combining their expertise, they aim to significantly reduce operational costs and environmental impact while increasing efficiency and sustainability. The joint solution pairs Nauticus's autonomous subsea vehicle, Aquanaut, with Open Ocean Robotics' solar-powered USV, Data Explorer. This innovative system enables persistent, real-time monitoring and data collection, while minimizing the need for costly crewed vessels. Energy operators can conduct autonomous inspections and monitoring of critical infrastructure, such as pipelines and subsea manifolds, more frequently, efficiently, and with lower environmental impact. This collaboration offers numerous benefits, including cost efficiency, reduced operational costs associated with subsea inspections, maintenance, and monitoring, environmental sustainability, minimized greenhouse gas emissions and environmental footprint, increased efficiency. Real-time monitoring and data collection enable more frequent and efficient inspections, improved safety, reduced need for crewed vessels and personnel in hazardous environments. John Gibson, president and CEO of Nauticus Robotics, emphasizes that this collaboration aligns perfectly with their mission to drive cost efficiency, safety, and sustainability in ocean industries. Julie Angus, CEO of Open Ocean Robotics, sees this partnership as a bold step forward in revolutionizing ocean management and monitoring. As the energy industry continues to pursue digital transformation and decarbonization, the combined capabilities of Nauticus Robotics and Open Ocean Robotics offer a forward-looking answer to the sector's most pressing operational challenges. This innovative partnership is poised to make a significant impact on the future of subsea asset management, enabling energy operators to conduct operations more efficiently, sustainably, and safely. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.